Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra S Pen users can breathe easy. Despite serious internal discussions about a dramatic redesign, new reports suggest Samsung has decided to keep the classic digitizer-based S Pen experience in its S27 flagship. Instead of chasing extreme thinness at the cost of functionality, Samsung appears to be doubling down on what makes the Ultra line unique. Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra S Pen, no radical redesign after all, according to reports from South Korea. Samsung had explored removing the S Pen digitizer layer from the Galaxy S27 Ultra in an effort to make the device thinner and more streamlined. The current S Pen system relies on electromagnetic resonance (EMR) technology, which requires a dedicated digitizer layer inside the display. This EMR layer, measuring around 0.3 millimeters thick, generates an electromagnetic field that powers the S Pen without the need for a battery inside the stylus. It's one of the reasons the Galaxy S Ultra series delivers such a precise, battery-free stylus experience, but it also adds a small amount of thickness to the phone. Engineers reportedly evaluated switching to active electrostatic AES technology, which uses a battery-powered stylus that sends signals directly to a capacitive touchscreen. There were also discussions about a hybrid solution that would eliminate both the digitizer layer and the stylus battery. INDUSTRY, insiders now say that hybrid technology is not yet ready for large-scale production, rather than risk reliability or compromise user experience. Samsung has reportedly decided to stick with its proven EMR-based S Pen system for the Galaxy S27 Ultra. Why the Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra S Pen still matters, the decision is significant. In recent years, some Samsung devices, including certain foldable models, have removed the digitizer layer entirely, limiting or eliminating stylus support. The Galaxy Z Fold 7, for example, reportedly dropped built-in digitizer functionality, disappointing users who rely on pen input. By contrast, the Galaxy S27 Ultra is expected to retain full S Pen support, complete with battery-free operation, pressure sensitivity, and ultra-low latency for professionals, creatives, and power users. The S Pen remains a defining feature of the Ultra lineup. Reports also suggest Samsung reconsidered its ultra-thin ambitions after mixed consumer reactions to slim-focused devices, like the Galaxy S25 Edge and competing Air-style smartphones. Many buyers appear unwilling to sacrifice core functionality, such as stylus support, just to gain a slightly thinner design. In other words, the Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra S Pen isn't just an accessory. It's central to the phone's identity, design challenges, magnets, wireless charging, and the future of stylus. One of the key challenges facing Samsung's stylus technology involves magnets. Modern smartphones increasingly rely on magnetic systems for wireless charging, standards like Qi 2 and accessory ecosystems similar to MagSafe. However, strong internal magnets can interfere with EMR-based digitizers, creating technical limitations. This tension between advanced magnetic systems and stylus compatibility is reportedly one reason Samsung explored alternative pen technologies in the first place. For now, though, the company seems to be prioritizing stability and user trust over experimental design changes. Any major shift away from EMR will likely happen only when Samsung can ensure equal or better performance. Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra S Pen and Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro beyond the stylus. The Galaxy S27 Ultra is shaping up to be a powerhouse in terms of performance. Separate leaks suggest the device will be powered by a custom Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro chipset, reportedly built on Samsung's cutting-edge 2 nanometers manufacturing process. This would continue Samsung's strategy of equipping its Ultra models with exclusive Snapdragon silicon, ensuring maximum performance, improved AI capabilities, and flagship level efficiency. Meanwhile, the standard Galaxy S27 and Galaxy S27 are tipped to feature Samsung's in-house Exynos 2600 chips in select markets. This split-chip strategy allows Samsung to differentiate the Ultra as the ultimate premium device. Combined with the refined S Pen experience, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro could make the Galaxy S27 Ultra one of the most powerful productivity smartphones ever released. A clear message to S Pen fans. Emerging picture from Korean and international reports is clear. Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra S Pen users will likely get the experience they know and trust. No compromised stylus. No battery-dependent pen. No unfinished hybrid experiment. Instead, Samsung appears to be focusing on proven EMR digitizer technology, battery-free S Pen functionality, flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro. Performance, reliable productivity, design that doesn't sacrifice core capabilities, while the company may continue researching next-generation stylus systems behind the scenes. The Galaxy S27 Ultra is expected to deliver a familiar, feature-rich S Pen experience powered by some of the most advanced mobile silicon available in 2027. For loyal S Pen users, that's not a step backward. It's a reassurance that Samsung still understands what makes the Ultra truly Ultra.